And whenever something happens in the collective field of humanity, whether it's emotional upheaval, if it's a disaster such as is in Houston right now, I sort of get affected by it. Whenever the collective field changes, I get affected by it. And I really wanted to support whatever happened, the people in Houston, with this sort of sacred space where we could meditate together, however you want to meditate, and also whatever you want to do, like prayers, intentions. There can be many, many options. There's nothing better than another. So I wanted to create this sacred space where we together could join in and create a better result, hopefully. So what I have here is Feng Shui activated candles. So I just wanted to activate and light the candles for both the victims of what happened in Houston, but also for the survivors, and get the support and help they need. Also, I wanted to create a short meditation together. So this is a 528 hertz tuning fork, which is also called a miracle tone and love tone. And love is I can't be physical present in Houston, and people always ask me how do you feel at a distance, that much energy? And I'm telling them that it doesn't matter where people are, it doesn't matter. I see no borders. There's no boundaries between us. No boundaries between our bodies. No boundaries in nature between our countries. So this is not only to support Houston. It is to support everywhere in the world who needs some light, some love. Because love is like the ultimate transformer, the ultimate healer, the ultimate help we can give people when we can't be physical present, and even when we are physical present, we can try to avoid controlling people's experience and send love and do our actions through love. So if you want to join in, do however you want to. You can sit back and relax and meditate together with me. You can send prayers, intentions. You can do physical actions if you're somewhere near and you want to support, whatever you feel like, whatever you're intuitive guided to. So my intention is to send as much support and as much help and love to the situation, and that it gets resolved for the best possible way. And that, for example, the rain clears away, that it gets dry fast. So we always want to focus our intention on solution, what expands us, and acceptance, to find solutions. Because when we find solutions through acceptance and through love, they usually become of a higher quality. And also when we do things from a higher perspective, not just for ourselves, but from as an individual, but for the general, it can really support all of us. The signal is a bit not that good. It's a bit weird, the internet connection, but hopefully it works out. So this is just supposed to be a very short, sacred space where we hold it together and send our blessings, send our love to the situation. And it could be any situation, it doesn't have to be only Houston. Wherever we see something needs to be balanced out to have more harmony. So even if you are on this video on the replay instead of live, you will still get the benefit, because when we come together and create this sacred space together, and do it for the higher good, you usually get a lot of energy yourself, and you get the intuitive guidance to do for people in your neighborhood, something for the world, something for yourself that can assist. So just allow yourself to receive. Like you give out, you also allow yourself to receive. Most of us are very good at giving, but have a difficulty with receiving. So perhaps you can imagine like a very bright light that expands itself. And just let this light expand to fill all your body, your entire energy field. And then further expand it out into the universe, out into the earth, and just let it go to wherever it needs to go. So whenever you turn on the light in a dark room, there's no more darkness. So turn on your inner light. I have some energy rings behind me that are going to support it. One of them is activated with this tuning fork to the tune of love and the miracle tone here. So what we're praying for is more or less a miracle. So even though you're not in that age where you believe in miracles anymore, just see what happens when we create this sacred space where a lot of people come together to support. Maybe you can see a color. It can be any color you like. And just allow that color again to expand first inside your body, and then goes further out, expanding into your aura field, your energy field. Just let it expand even further out into the world, to the people, the situation, whoever needs that light, that color, that intention, that thought, that word, that action that you're sending to them. Everything happens now. There's no time delay. It's already received. But in this physical world, it might take some time to manifest, but it will manifest. So for the next 30 seconds, I'll just be quiet and allow whatever needs to happen. Thank you very much for participating in this very short sacred space to like collectively uplift energy, uplift the world, in whatever stressful situations that's happening for people, or for nature. You can always write a comment and I'll get back to it. And hopefully you enjoyed it and also received something in return for all the energy that you gave. This was just my little contribution. I felt that it was needed. All my love. My name is Simon August. Enjoy your day and your week.